garage at the 9 Mile station. That one's stuck between floors. What brand is it? Looks like Dover. 2002 this place is from, so probably not Dover. Got bells. Innovation with bells. Strange. Looks nice. 3 levels. Ooh, that door's messed up. Here's the panel. Kind of fucked up, but watch the Honestly, this is like one of the oldest elevators on the RTD system. 2002. Most of the older elevators on the system are from like 2006. It's out there. Let's not lose it. Which I think we may have. Oh my god. Not only is it going down, but the button doesn't work. Alright, I guess we'll go down. What the hell? Did it just go back to the 3rd floor? You've got to be joking. What's that bus? Is that the AT? Can you see it? Looks like the AT. Yeah, it's just... I really wonder who installed this. I'll watch the numbers for it out. There's like a huge bus terminal over here. And a train station up there. And that's it.